My dear viewers and listeners, once again, ni Mzee Njuguna wa Mwangi, muithirado wa baria gathubati wa kuma metumi, aria matoi metumi ni kaunti ya Murang'a. Last time I did tell you about the process of dathimi for various reasons. Today, in this episode, I would like now to bring about the great changes that have taken place. Ugaruruku Munene. The second part is how people greet each other. Ngeithi cia Agikuyu. And na thutha ũcio nĩ ngũtiriha, I'll conclude so that I will summarize, but just giving you a taste of what is in the book. I will start with Johi. I have mentioned that in the Kikuyu process there used to be beers. I would say that there has been a distortion about Johi brought about by Christianity, because and all Islam, because even Islam have married our Kikuyus or vice versa. And because of that process, I would say, got distorted because there are people who say, I don't want pombe. That is one change. I want to re-educate people that there is no doctrinal foundation of why pombe or beer should not be taken. What is the evidence of that? The first miracle of Jesus was turning water to wine. In the ceremony of the Mass, wine is drunk. I'll remind people that Christianity is part of Abrahamic religion tree, believing in one God and the prophets. Wine is central to the reading of the Torah or Talmud up to this day. So I will challenge anybody who would want to tell me there is doctrinal evidence of why beer should not be, to educate me, for I would like to know. However, I also do know that from 1530, when King Henry VIII brought in Anglicanism, there developed a Puritanic movement, Puritanism, who started demonizing alcohol. And it ran up to about 1830 or thereabout. You notice they were demonizing alcohol not because there is any doctrine saying it should not be drunk, but because of the actions coming out of the people who are drunk. And that Puritanism was brought to us, and since we are not fully appraised of the origin of this demonizing of beer, we took it to heart. And therefore, that's why I wanted to tell, and I'm spending more time than I needed, because I wanted to emphasize there is no doctrinal reason why beer should not be drunk during the Kikuyu marriage process. Ugaruruku Oge nĩ mathingira mathuri gũthira. The Kikuyu used the school for Kikuyu culture, used kĩrĩra kĩa Agikuyu, used to be given, passed on to the new generation in a man's thingira. That those schools used to be there before the Mzungu came. But when the Mzungu came, he introduced hard tax in the 20s and 30s. That means if you in your compound you have 3 wives, therefore you have 4 houses, so you have to pay 4 taxes. And the men decided I better finish, since I cannot do away with my wives. Mine was the thingira was the first to go. So that is the first thing that most people do not know that started killing the schools, removing the schools. The second thing that finished the schools kabisa is during the emergencies. There was, all people were put in villages, and in villages, protected villages, there was no thingira. So young men, there are very many old people who are 77 like me, but they know zero Kikuyu. Todo, because matiari na shukuru yago ya guthie. Kwoguo athuri tacio moigaga matuikaga ni mbari ya ndaiguire. They just say, I used to hear it used to be done like this. Second point on this, there are many books and that has been written about these, which are quoted in the literature, and our archives do have original materials which I have synthesized in this book. But our people do not read a lot, and that is why there are a lot of distortion, and that is why I say Ugaruruku Munene. The other thing that out of this distortion, there are some women today, when they divorce, the Kikuyu, the proper way they have to return rorashio. I must emphasize, they must return the first rorashio todo mutumia doinagirwo jongwa keri kunirwo miti. Kwoguo no nginya cia mbere icokio. The other thing I would like to mention, nĩ mĩgiro, mĩtugo na mĩgiro ya Agikuyu. The Kikuyus had a strict way of doing things. For example, Kikuyus did not used to kiss. But there is a practice which was sanctioned which was called gweko. Gweko is fondling. And there was no penetration because the grandmother of the girl nio haga kairetu gacũcũ gake kahetereri na nĩ abaraga ũrĩa akundĩkĩte. And if the girl and the boys happened to exceed the boundary, there were sanctions. That couple will be ostracized in society. Magatuo tumene kana kamene if it is one. So there was control of behavior. The other thing is that young men and everybody knew what to do. Metugo na meikarire. For example, you will not insult or be disrespectful to the older people. If you are sitting down and you see an older person, you have to vacate where you are so the older people sit down. You could not answer back to your father or mother. You cannot be going to your in-law because you want to keep that respect. What we do today, all that metugo na meikarire ekiura. Today, you hear even some leaders uttering some words, and they are called Kikuyus. A person like that, etago gathuri kanyarare kamene, and a person like that person who is somebody who is distasteful, his despicable manners could not be tolerated, and people would not want to associate with you. So what will you do if you are ostracized, that nobody want to talk to you? So people used to behave. I have said the method of ostracization is a person who has made a mistake, etago kamene kanyarare, and other people do not want to be associated with you. When you pass by, they would start saying with a voice that you can hear, no rea otataraga mundu rea, no rea otamuturaga ndũgĩra. That means, who does that person visit or interact with who do not advise him the good manners? You know, they say, no rea otamutaraga ndũgĩra. So you hear, and they will say in a voice showing disgust. So what used to happen now, if you now ogerira, if you feel remorseful, then you would nĩũkũruta mbũri ya horohio. Kuhorohia is to pacify the hearts of those you wronged. And after you do that, you are put back on the fold. So you see there how the richness of the Kikuyus were. They had ways to sanction, to ostracize you until you come back to the fold. What do we say today? What do we see today? We see that the Kikuyus, in my book, Jugeta Mahanete Maimeiro Toine, for those people who do not know the meaning of that, they will read in the book, but in short, directionless. Why? They don't have a cultural reference point, because cultures tell you the do's and the don't. That's why they are directionless. The last thing I want to address in the big changes are the buses, mbũri cia athuri. Mbũri iria irarĩo nĩ athuri amwe, not all. Itingĩrwo nĩ mbũri cia athuri. Gĩtũmi nĩ gĩkĩ, no hata kũigua mũndũ nĩ oka oiga nĩ ngũruta ithano. There is nothing like that. Mbũri ya athuri yarĩa ĩmwe gĩtonga na mũthĩni. Wa kerĩ, mbũri ciarĩagwo na matĩna marũngo, na nĩ ngwetete ibuku-inĩ ũrĩa marũngo mau mokaga, tondũ inyuothe mũtiganaine, onakorwo mũrĩ andũ no ingĩrĩte kĩama kĩa athuri a Kamatimu, the recently married, nĩ kwarĩ na marũngo mangĩ o thĩinĩ wa gĩkundi kĩa ngundi ya athuri acio, na harĩa ũrenda gũthiĩ nĩ wathũrimagwo. Gũthũrimwo nĩ you are vetted. Today there is no vetting. Anybody, so long as you can afford it, you are welcome. The second, they were very particular in separating various generations. For example, I have a 100-year-old dad, ni muthuri. I'm a 77-year-old de muthuri, and also a grandfather. My father is great-grandfather. I'm a grandfather. My son is also ni muthuri. Now, imagine when you mix generations. Ithe matikwaganĩra itĩo. Ndanaigua ihĩĩ ciakwa, my children, kana andũ imwana cia andũ a rika rĩakwa makĩruma maithe atĩ matirutĩte kĩ mbũri. Ũcio nĩ wa gĩthoni, tondũ rĩrĩa mwatukanio ũguo nĩ mwaganĩra itĩo. Na nĩ ũndũ irarĩo, icio irarĩo imwe ti mbũri cia athuri, tondũ mbũri cia athuri nĩ ndagweta ciarĩagwo na marũngo, no takinyĩtie irũngo rĩu ndũngĩtĩkĩrwo, nĩ ũkũrorwo mĩtugo yaku, rĩu matiroragwo, yarutagwo ĩmwe. Na kwoguo nĩ ũndũ ũcio mbũri imwe irarĩo itingĩtwo nĩ mbũri cia athuri, no ciĩtirwo nĩ mbũri irarĩo nĩ athuri a Agikuyu, na indo ta icio nĩ patĩ kana imandi kana mĩthage. Rĩu hau mbere nĩ ndagweta maũgarũrũku marĩa mokĩte, na nĩ ngwenda kũgweta kĩndũ kĩmwe ndĩraigua thikũ ici na andũ nĩ mabatiĩ kũmenya, na maroiga andũ nĩ maroiga nĩ Gĩkũyũ na ona matiũĩ kũgeithania. Ngeithi Mũgĩkũyũ endaga kũmenya we ng'ania ũhana atĩa. Andũ agaki nĩ ũkũigua makiuga wakĩa maitũ, they are referring to you as an individual. Kiambu gwetagwo Kabete, na gwitũ Metumi, Murang'a County, twageithanagia wĩ mwega, you as an individual, na mũrĩega if you are plural. From there on, whatever you do is a conversation. Waigua atĩa, kwerwo atĩa, na nĩ nyingĩ ndigũtinda ngĩgweta tondũ ĩ hau ũguo. Icio nĩ direct. No nĩ ngũgweta haha kiugo kĩragwo andũ meciragia nĩ ngeithi, nĩ atĩa, kwerwo atĩa, nĩ kwega. Nĩ kwega was a question, and that question comes after you have discussed whatever the conversation you want to have, and you are about to go, and the person you met, where he or she is coming from, is where you are going. So you ask, nĩ kwega, meaning where you are coming from. So that if it is good, I'll go on with the journey. Then you will repeat, you say nekwega. When you finish that, that is the in short, that is a summary of how greetings should be. And I mentioned wimwega, to know how you are, and then conversation. However, I want to point that Kikuyus had an interest in your well-being, because if he meets you in the shamba, he want to know whether your shamba is doing well. Have you any your beans? I hope they are growing well. Or if he meets you herding goats or sheep, you say, "Kule buliaku nyunekoguru," meaning they were interested with you as a person, not kuro kohanate. Where? What? When you say that, where are you talking about? Can kwero what there? No. Who? So you see, you say them, but you are not thinking. In that one, I also want to tell people an interesting bit in the Kikuyu greeting, which I call Otirewa Geivi. Historically, during emergency, people, when they are going with fear. Now Agikuyu Munene, because they do not know where those home guards are persecuting people. So they would ask, "Nekwega," meaning they are interested to know whether the askaris are there. So that word nekwega was so much used that it became the greetings, but it was not. Another place where nekwega were used by women. In the old days, a woman used to take food of the husband in the ngira. I'm sure most of you who did not don't even know there used to be such a thing, the ngira. Leu kwoguo naguo na Gikuyu mutumia uteregete gucererwo gwake nyumba ni muthuri arehe rwiga akera murume ithe wa andu ruru rwiga agacoka kuga na ni kwega. Riu andu agima ni mamenya uguo uria mutumia ucio eka atia era muthuri we haha mundu uthomi wothe uria ugathoma kana agathikiriria akamenya uria kwerwo. No kiuria kiria njurite ibuku-ini riri ta gicirie mutumia waku na ni muthaka kana muiritu waku na ni muthaka ake anjurie anjire na ni kwega ri ngutigwo ngaigua atia. Cut. Dear listeners and viewers, now I can say my friends. For those who have not seen or listened to me, I'm Njuguna wa Mwangi, muthuri wa matathi wa kuma Murang'a County, Havera sub-location. Muithirandu wa mbari ya Gathugati ni muthuri wa matathi ni ndagweta ringi. Haha gwenda kugweta na Gikuyu tondu ndiraheta kurunga icuri, in English, the areas that need correction. The most irritating one is, and I said it before, ni kuhanda mathigi kana kuhanda ithigi. You want to read in details, but basically mathigi mararehwo mbere ati nita kubuku murabuku mwiritu. In Kikuyu, there is no such a thing. The stopping of another person coming to that compound to seek the hand of that girl was achieved. And I emphasize again, njohi ya njũrio ĩrĩa yumagarario na mwatĩ na harika, mwatĩ na harika cionio harĩa ciaingĩra, na nĩkuo kũmenya mũciĩ. You have booked that lady, nobody else can come. So there was no such thing as kuhanda igiri mbere, tondu kuhanda ithigi riokaga thutha muiritu muhiriga wa muiritu wetikira muiritu ucio no ime no etanio na muhiriga wa mumuguri. Hau niho mathigi mahandage, hau turunga icuri. Handu hake hekwenda kurungwo icuri ni kuga ati muiritu no egure. Gutire kindu ta kiu. There is nothing like that. I have said somewhere that when I was talking about the Ngira blessings, muiritu tocio apatie kuga aroka gwetha ndathimi cia muciari tondu ndari runo na arathimwo arehe mirigo yothe, ni arehe mirigo yothe iria arenda kuheithe na gacoi kao ciarĩo nĩ ithe wa muthuri ni amurathimira thingira ni etikirio runo rwa nyina ruhuthirwo ni ciana ciake. Na Gikuyu ni kiuga uria warungirwo thingira nduregagwo ni nyumba nene. So muthuri ucio ni ekwira muhiriga wao ni arathimite mwari, koguo magetia indo uria muhiriga ucio watwarire kwa muka, makigura muka wake akigurwo kana nyina wa muiritu ucio. Nidashoka ndoiga andu maruge icuri cia ngeithi tondu nindagweta Mugikuyu amba kumenya mundu uria ahana, na ciuria iria ciarumagirira thutha ucio icio ni ndereti. Ngikindira maundu maingi marekwo matibatie gwika atia, matibatie gwikwo, na mundu athome ibuku nigetha Gikuyu gikindire. Na koguo mundu akienda kumenya Gikuyu andu ni moi ni arutaga njohi na mburi ya kirira. Koguo ibuku riri mukigura mutikoigene kugura mureka atia, muragura ni njohi na mburi ya kirira muraruta nigetha kirira kiu githiini wa ibuku riri gikindire. Mukinyia hau na ni mwaigua ni maingi ndatiga maria muguthoma thiini wa ibuku riu ringi. Tigoi wega no giki ni kiambiriria gwaci nyingi to ni ngurehe ikirira kingi kiria giguthie gikindagira Ugikuyu na njira ingi iria iguka thutha. Itano ima giikaro giki ni ingiaririkania ati andu aingi maroiga tucokie rui mukaro. Kiuria ni giki, ni muramenya mukaro wari ha na mwatwikire mbare ya ndaiguire. Kirira kia haria mukaro wari no nginya muthome mabuku ta ki ta maya, tondu mutathomete no kanua muriugaga nakio no gutire mukaro muracokia mukaro. Na nituguthii na mbere tukeragia chano eno tuteithanie tondu gwiciuria nyingi itana ndiramenya ikurio na mundu kwenda guciuria ni mukuheo email iria mungiuria na nimuricokagirio thai ya Ngai thai Njuguna wa Mwangi muthuri wa Matathi.